I want to shed light on something here. Let's see this whole primordial FX thing that people chasing. They're running behind it because we Trinidadians like to run behind dollar signs. We don't want to go behind the process. And I telling a lot of people this all the time. All they get into affiliate marketing. No, affiliate marketing is too much work. Well, it has certain consequences to be facing now. Because if you put all your hopes and all your dreams on these crypto platforms, when they crash, what you will do? Go and get next one, and then that crash and go and get next one, and that crash, and it's the same ongoing cycle. You're never really finding yourself building anything long term. You're always chasing what's the next best thing, and it's always what you call a flashy object syndrome. You're never settling down. So how did Amazon get so big? How did Walmart get so big? How did Jonathan Montoya get so big? How did Wesley Virgin get so big? You have to look at the psychology ahead, look at what these guys did in order to reach in the position that they do. And the formula for affiliate marketing, the formula for sales and marketing will always remain the same. You give away something free for exchange for email. You see, in the online space, the email that you receive is the most valuable thing because of the fact that you can remarket something else to somebody. So as long as you build an email list or a subscriber base, you could promote multiple offers to your audience. Softwares, ebooks, weight loss, you name it. As long as you can get the affiliate link and you can build a subscriber base, you're just promoting one thing to somebody, people. And this is how you build a long-term sustainable business. So everybody have a fantastic day today. If all you would like to learn more about affiliate marketing, click the link in my bio and get the free course. And from there, you will be more well equipped if it is you're looking to build a solid online business.